What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Grant. I am a local real estate agent in the Tampa Bay area, and today guys, oh my gosh, do I have a gorgeous property for you. This probably is going to be anybody's dream home in regards to all the amenities that you have, as well as just the size, the location. It has everything that you'd probably ever dream of. So right now in this video guys, we're going to check out a property just over $2 million. I'm going to show you what you can get for over $2 million in Odessa, Florida. Let's go check it out. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around all the way till the end. If you have any questions about this property, don't hesitate to reach out. My information will be linked down below. If you or anybody you know is interested in relocating to the Tampa, Florida area, that's all Pasco, Pinellas, Hillsborough, Hernando County, all the surrounding areas. If you know anybody, don't hesitate to reach out, and then we can have a quick conversation, and then they or you can decide what would make the most sense in regards to partnering with me and my team to get you into your next property. Thank you guys so much for sticking around all the way till the end. I will see you in the next video.